Hi, my name's Steven Spencer. Welcome to another edition of Steven Spencer's Reviews. Hi, I'm Steven Spencer. My therapist says I need to take more risks. So this week, I've decided to review this table saw that my coworker lent me over 4 years ago. It has many unique features, such as an expandable and retractable saw blade, a measuring stick on the side, and a locking device. Now let's see it in action. Before we use it, we can't forget safety first. So make sure you have your eyes and ears before using this product. Oh boy, doesn't seem like the cord will reach. Maybe we should plug it into that extension cord. That's better. Now let's get to work. First, we're going to have to set our measurements. That looks about good. Next, we have to extend the saw blade. Whew, that takes a lot of hand strength, but that should be set at the proper distance. Thank you for joining me. I had fun. How about you? Next week, join me for an all-new review, which will be something exciting. If you have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe.